I'm very much thankful to Mr. Hari Shankar, who has organized a wonderful program here and who made us to gather here with many entrepreneurs who how they have grown up in their fields.
R Surya Raj, Managing Director, Dynamic Tools. The Manufacturing Maestro of Hyderabad edition was felicitated by P. Lakshmi Mesh, Managing Director, Genius Filters and Systems, and Rakesh Patel, CEO and MD, Fagor Automation India.
I raised from the scratch. I was working with HMT and I resigned in 1992, started a small company with only 5 people, and later on it is increased one by one, and today my company is with 1300 employees, 1200 plus.
Initiating this Manufacturing Maestros, which was never before conducted in India, in the history of India. One more appreciation is inviting all the manufacturing entrepreneurs, industry innovators on this one roof, paving a way to collaborate, self-learning and celebrations. I really appreciate you, Hari, for this, and my hearty congratulations to all the other, manufacturing specifications what you're making.
We are very much honored to make him as the Manufacturing Maestros. From 5 people with a small tool to 2,200 people with diversified business now in aerospace, also his legacy in the cigarette making machines and the new field whatever he is going in. I believe the second generation also is backing up really well. So we hope that the next generation also takes the legacy and continue forward, growing ahead.